So the first we will introduce for the ALDG series CNC bandsaw machine.
Yes.
The angle sawing controlled by the PLC.
Yes.
Yes.
And the types, the models of this type is mainly four. The ALDG 500, the ALDG 750, the ALDG 1000, and ALDG 1250.
One question for the four models. We only have these models, or this is hot sales or populars, or we also have others.
Of course, we have several elections for the customers, but these are the four most popular models that our customers ask us to offer.
Yes, but for the ALDG series, the machines, we also to recommended the customers or the user and the user to use up 1 meter.
Yes.
Yes, for the ALDG 500 or ALDG 750,
Yes.
not popular or the maybe the price or the specifications or the configurations
Yes.
maybe almost seem like the 1000 models.
Yes, because the difference is not much.
Yes, so many customers to choose the ALDG 1000 in first, also to ensure the future to use it.
Yes, so the ALDG 1000 is more
large circle with the high precision position.
Of course,
yes.
And it is mainly used for process of H-beam and also channel steel, angle steel. Yes, and also used in the industry like construction, like bridge and tower, mast and grate.
And for the pipes used for this machine also can use it.
The pipe, yes, because these machines can offer the rotations with automatic, so it's more convenient.
Yes. And for this machine, the materials no need to moving.
Yes.
Yes, just to our clipping fixed the materials and our machine will the blade will have the angle and to cutting or sewing it.
Yes, so don't need to move the material with high efficiency.
Yes.
And so let's see a video of of how this works, how this machine is, the LDG series. This is a video taken in our factory, yes?
Yes, in factory to took the new videos to let you know.
Yes.
Yes, for this machine is 750.
Yes.
ALDG 750 series.
And in fading here, this is the control panel. Yes.
For here the outfitting.
Yes, outfitting.
Outfitting and the infit outfitting. And for the machine only we talk about the CNC bandsaw machine to know just the only machine, not the fitting. If it's anyone or our friend details and to offer or quotate you.
That's right. And we also offer the different options for the infading. Like this is roller infading, and also we offer the dolly infading.
Yes.
All according to your need in your factory.
2 options.
Yes. And here's the
motor.
Yes, the hydraulic.
And for the CNC bandsaw machine, from here we also have the belt wheels to control.
Yes. And this is the roller inflating.
Okay, we continue.
Yes. Let's continue.
To introduce for the ALDG 500.
Yes.
Maybe more clear to know this machine is what.
Yes. And it's also because the ALDG series, it is accurate and convenient as we have talked. It doesn't need to move the material. It can do the clampings, can hold the material, and then do the rotation,
Yes.
rotation sewing up to with the angle of 45 or
Yes.
60. The
Zero,
two options
degree
is-
to 45 degree
Yes.
and 0 degree or to 60 degree.
So two options or angles, 45 or 6 is both can be offered to our customers.
Yes, but for the most work,
Mhm.
the general to use most customers to
Mhm.
choose the 0 degree to 45 degree.
Yes, I understand. And this is the 500. The size, we can see the size is smaller.
Yes.
And next, the 750.
Yes, and for these machines, we also the saw blade.
Mhm.
We also our machine also equipped with the steel brush.
Yes.
We also know the machine to working when the working will have the chips with the saw blade, and if we have the steel brush, after our machine working the saw blade with the chips, the brush will clean it.
Yes. So it don't influence the work of the
Yes,
the band
to
sewing machine.
ensure the accuracy of the saw blade, the service life. Yes, long time to use.
To maintain its work. Yes, and also we can see in this picture the structure of the machine is composed of the saw frame and the bed, the vertical feeding device, also the vertical pressing device, the rotary table, and also other system we can see from this picture, the hydraulic system, the cooling system, and the infeeding, which is additional.
Yes, when the machine working, the temperature will be high, so need the cooling system, and also to ensure the machine, the saw blade, the service life.
Yes, that's very important. And the third one is the most popular,
Yes,
right?
most popular to use or for us to sell.
Yes, the 1000 is also because it is PLC control, so it is high accuracy. And here is the control panel. Yes,
Yes.
it's touch screen also.
Yes, touch screen. And for the system, if we also use the Chinese because we the Chinese manufacturers. And for the the English or the Spanish, maybe we can do the work for you. But for the English, we also sales all English.
Is widely used.
Yes.
So if you have any need for the control system language or other requirement, you can just contact us. We can ask our factory to offer you according to your requirement.
Yes, and for the system how to use, and for the machine how to operate, we also can provide the online service.
Yes.
Like through the WeChat, the video call, we also can do it.
So the engineer can answer the questions of
Yes,
customers.
in time.
Yes. Next, because this machine have two options of inflating.
Yes.
The one is the roller inflating, and the other is the dolly inflating.
Yes.
So let's see some pictures and videos to see how are these inflating ways. This is a roller inflating. Yes. Let's see a video. Here the inflating and outfeeding.
Yes.
This may be the 750.
750.
Yes.
This the machine in customer plant.
Yes. And next, the dolly inflating. This is more professional for
Pincher.
Yes, the pincher. Because in many factories who use a production line, who want to connect the band sewing machine with drilling machine or other machines, this is more widely used. Right?
Yes. And we use this pincher to do the dolly feeding. The worker will be easy to do, and the accuracy will be issue.
That's very important for the big production.
Yes,
production
because some customers maybe consider the price or consider his worker,
Mhm.
and maybe have the how to say, the dollar or the luring feeding will be have a high price. We cannot to bear, and also use the menu in feeding. But for the menu, the workpiece will be with the high weight, and you only need earth. The worker to put this will be used many times, and for the accuracy, not sure how you put, how need to bake.
Yes.
So the accuracy cannot easy to control it. So some customers also need to consider the accuracy. So we recommended the ruler feeding or the printer feeding.
Yes, it is the best choice if you consider more about the accuracy.
Yes.
And continue to see the video. This is how the picture infeeding in this machine.
Yes.
Also in customers factory.
Yes, and the customer also to test.
Yes.
And for the ELDG series, the CNC bandsaw machine, we also can equip with the ruler shooter, like here.
Yes.
We will introduce later for the.
Okay. And we continue. This is a second type
Yes,
of our
hydraulic.
Yes, the hydraulic manual angle machines. And also here we listed 4 machine models.
Yes, the most popular or the hot sales.
Right. And we also can offer other models with other size, only because our customers need this model most.
Yes.
And the models are LG 330.
ELG series.
Yes. Like here is the 330, the 400, the 500, and the 600. Let's see. First is the 330. Yes. Here.
But for the control, not the color screen, the control. Only the button to control the the traditional.
Yeah, we can see here is the control panel. It's only buttons, no touch screen. And also
for the clapping, also the hydraulic, same with the ELDG series.
Only is manual control.
The clapping is hydraulic,
Ah.
same as the ELDG series.
Yes. The rotation is manual control. Yes. And here
For
you can see.
for the compare with the ELDG, we can introduce for our friends later.
Yes. And we can see some pictures in our factory of the machine.
Yes, the front and the back, and we also can see the seam, the belt wheels with the motor.
Yes. And also it's the hydraulic system. Yes. And then
we can see the clapping. Yes, I just told the hydraulic is the clapping.
Yes. We can see very clearly here how it. And here is the second model, the 400, the LG 400. We have a video to see it more clearly, how it works here. Here is do the rotation sewing.
Yes, for using the beam.
Yes.
The tube.
Yes. The tube. This is with a degree of 45. Yes.
45 degree.
And also some details of the rotation part. Here it can work with the rotation, but the rotation is manual control.
Yes, and for the hydraulic to control it, use the connection route. Yes, use like how to see. We will to show the picture more clear to our friends later know.
Okay. And then is another model 500. We can see the difference is only the size.
Yes, only we can see the wind. different. And
yes.
for the machine, the configurations maybe almost same. Just the size, we can see the different from the pictures. And we also can see the saw blade. For the saw blade, we deliver it to our customers. We will with the free.
Yes.
Yes, and some factories to sell the saw blade, but for us, maybe how to say, maybe the customer buy many to us. We will to sell the to send the free saw blade to them. Also will be how to say maybe the friends also the customer also the friends. So we also send the free saw blade, but for other factories
They don't.
Yes, they don't. You only to buy.
Yes. And also with our the saw blade is
Yes.
with high quality because it is fabricated by our own factory.
Yes,
right?
this is the most important thing because we do this. And we also have the research and design center,
Yes.
and we know this. So the saw blade not our buy from other suppliers.
Yes.
We do the saw blade, so we can control and we can to provide the best to customers.
Yes, so we can guarantee the long lifetime and the good
Yes.
quality of the machine and the saw blade. And next is the 600, the LG 600.
Yes, for this machine is the installed in customer plant. We also can see the engineer to do this.
Yes, and we can see here the control panel with the buttons, the clapping, and the belt wheel. And here also the picture, but is also is installed here from the back, I think.
Yes.
And,
We also can see the feeding side.
Yes, we can see. Next, so Aaron, we have talked about the two models. What is the two models and what's the configuration of the two models? So what's the difference of these two machines? They all can do the rotation sewing works.
Yes.
But what's the difference? Can we show to our friends?
Yeah, of course, for the ALDG series and ALG series, all the angle one saw machine, but we only can see the ALDG series in the CNC control, in the CNC angle but saw machine. But for the ALG series, we only to see the C-motor.
Yes.
Yes, because for the angle sewing controlled by the hydraulic. In other words, this machine is a manual. Yes, but for the ALDG series is the angle sewing controlled by PLC.
Yes, this is a point very important. If you want to choose the machine, the two machines, you can decide which one suits your work.
Yes, because for the ALDG series controlled by the PLC, so for this machine, the accuracy will be high than ALG series.
Yes.
Yes, for the high precision for position. So the also have the price difference from here.
Yes, because the accuracy worth a lot.
Yes.
And the second difference between the two machines, I think, is the options for the infading.
Yes.
Because LDG series, it has two options for
Yes.
infading. One is dolly infading, that means the pincher infading, and the other is the roller infading.
Yes. For the machines, the ALG series also can control the dolly or ruler infading. Also can choose it, but for our standard machine, we equip with the menu, the ruler, because we consider the price for customers. If our customers to ask us for our infading, we need the ruler infading or we need the pincher infading, we also can do for it.
Yes, we can offer as you required.
Further.
And another different important, we also have explained before, the LDG series can work with the drilling machine
Yes.
to be a production line. Yeah.
Yes, because this machine controlled by the PLC
Mhm.
and also have for this the LDG series mostly to is a special
Mhm.
machines for the bandsaw machine to use it.
Ah, yes. So they only equipped in the same production line.
Yes, and for the factories, maybe the factories have the beam drilling, and he also together with the bandsaw machines, and ALDG is the first choose to let them to use it.
Yes, I see. And the another difference of the two models is because we know the ALDG has high accuracy, so it also has high precision for the precision. But for the ALG series, it is the normal.
Yes,
it's
normal.
standard.
Because it's controlled by the hydraulic. Also, in other words, it's controlled by us, by the manual. So the accuracy may be not good compared with the ELDG series, but enough to use it.
Ah, yes. So from this we can see how is the different part and the same part of the two series. Right?
Yes,
And we continue to see more about
the angle sewing.
yes. This is the angle shoe of the
Hydraulic.
yes.
Yes, ELG series. For the hydraulic, we can connection route to control the angle of the degree, like we from the 0 degree to 10 degree, or from 10 degree or 15 degree. We can see from here.
All controlled by the connection road.
Yes.
And here also here is I will show the LDG series, how it works and how it do the rotation with the saw blade. Yes.
Yes. For this we can see the ALDG series to sewing the pipes, and for the pipes we have two types. The first one is the holey pipe, and the last one is the solid pipe.
So it can do for both types. Yes.
Yes.
Do the works.
According to the thickness, also the diameter of the pipe. Yes. And for here we can see the two pipes to sewing together, and we also can sewing the pipe together like a
branch.
Yes, a branch to sewing it.
Yes.
And for the pipe, no need to move it. Yes, and just angle sewing controlled by the PLC.
So it's more with high accuracy.
Yes, and save more time to do it.
Yes.
And we can see the angle.
Yes.
From here,
it can be up to 45 and also to 60.
Yes. But for here is
the 45. Yes.
This the pictures we show you in the ALDG series with multiple device with with the beam drilling machine or with other bandsaw machine, angle bandsaw machine, and we also can see here. This is the lower the shooter.
Yes.
This is the lower the shooter.
Yes.
And also some customers to ask us to have it because the in feeding the customer will use it, and for the lower the shooter also you also need it because like the workpiece in feeding from here in feeding like the ruler in feeding. Yes, we from here and out feeding and out feeding we need this machine to do the workpiece and use this lower shooter. The workpiece will from here to here controlled by the PLC. So it's very convenient and easy to control it.
Yes.
Save more workers, the staff,
Mhm.
save more staff and save more time to work with
Yes, because all is automatic.
Yes.
No necessary to the manual control of the inflating. No necessary of the whole process.
Yes, because maybe the workpiece will be high weight with the high weight,
Mhm.
and we one staff or two staff maybe cannot to put it from this machine to this machine, and we use the over the shooter will be easy to let the workpiece from one machine to the second machine.
Yes. So that's why the LG series is very popular for the factories with the big projects.
Yes.
They need to do so many works.
Yes. So for the CNC bandsaw machines, the angle bandsaw machine, if you have any other questions like the details or the specifications
Or
or
other models.
Yes.
More models with the different size.
yes, maybe you need the big size to in your production.
Yes.
You can contact us and we will send the details like the catalogs and all the technical proposal. We can send to you.
Yes, we can also offer the different solutions according to your situation, your actual work.
Yes. So for our the CNC angle bandsaw machine, we can from here.
Yes. Today, thank you for listening to our talk show.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see next day.
Yes. See you.
See you.